Hi, welcome to the tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to fix our type zip error appear on WordPress. As you can see, I am trying to import data for Fancy Product Designer, so it is showing error again and again. So solution is simple in 3 ways. First is install zip from PHP pair packages. So first log into cPanel, then click on PHP pair packages and in search box type zip and install archizip. Second step, click on PHP processes and kill all process. As you can see, I am doing same action, so doing this your website will not stop but your PHP process will get restart. Third step and final step, click PHP select version and find for zip. If zip is not checked, then you have check zip to enable it. Now it is time to test it again. If you like our video, then please like and subscribe for more videos. Let us know if you have any question.